Made in Ireland, Novaerus home and business air disinfection devices have been scientifically proven to kill airborne viruses. We're proud to be protecting the customers and staff of Noyeks Newmans kitchens, as Mark Congdon explains.
Since COVID began, we had a drop in business of about 50% between April and May. As a result of that, we immediately looked to introduce safety systems within all branches. Noyeks Newmans introduced screens, hand creams and masks, and the Novaerus air cleaning systems to ensure both our staff and our customers are safe at all times, and it's worked very, very well. We haven't had any major incidents since we introduced those systems.
Simply plug in and protect 24/7. Novaerus. You can't disinfect the air, we can. Order online now at novaerus.ie.